Hey guys, so I decided I'm gonna film tonight because I spilled sweet and sour sauce on my blanket, and so now I have to do a load of laundry before I can go to bed. We are gonna be filming a Lance video. That's right, just like the New Year's Eve one, except this time makeup. It's probably my heaviest contour for makeup that I do. That doesn't involve face painting. I'm gonna do my base off camera because it's just foundation, but I will show you what I use. Lately I've been using this Makeup Revolution foundation stick. I've been using that as my foundation for a while now, so I'll go in with that, and then I'll go in with this Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm gonna be priming with Maybelline's Master Prime Primer Base. So there's my base. I look like an alien. Or Voldemort. To start off the fun bits, we're gonna start contouring. I use a cream contour for this. I have not done any powder to decide anything yet. I do this as a pre-contour. Let me zoom in. Hello. Take the darker contour, and what I like to do for male features, so Lance is very sharp, and I have a very sharp nose, but everything else is very round in my face. So I have like this nice line for my cheekbones, and what I'll do is I'll contour down that to make it nice and shadowed to give the illusion of a stronger bone structure, alright? And then I will contour on either side of my nose as well as the inner part of my brow, and then I will add a little bit of contour on either side of this temple line just to help it protrude a little bit more. I just find that it makes me look slightly more masculine. I am an independent man who don't need no princesses. Boom! Cut glass. I'm just setting this powder, with Milani translucent light to medium. Alright, so that's all my base. My base is done. I have brown hair, but blonde eyebrows. Which means if I go out without doing my eyebrows, I look like a crazy person. So this is NYX's Precision Brow Pencil. Big thing for Lance is that he has very thin brows, but I like to do them thin and I like to do them a little rounder. Brows. I'm gonna prime my eyes using MAC Paint Pot and Soft Ochre. So the palette that I'm using is the Naturally Pretty Romantic from IT Cosmetics. And then we're gonna go in, we're gonna start going. We're gonna use some light brown and then a brown. Hello. I do still use eyeliner when I do Lance. I use NYX's Epic Ink Liner. Focus. I use this awesome Essence Lash Princess Lash. I'm using this nice Milani blush in Coral. I normally just do like a little bit of lip gloss. I do still highlight, especially for photos. I'm using the strobe highlight from Revolution. Then I'm gonna go in and emphasize my contouring with the NYX Pro palette, highlight and contour palette. So yeah, that's my Lance makeup wig on. As a bonus, we're also gonna do the Ultean marks. So I'm actually gonna base it in white. I usually, or I haven't the times that I've done it, but I think it'd be a good idea. It's not gonna be the same on the other side. It never is, so don't even like freak out or don't even fret about it, okay? It's not gonna be even, it's not gonna be the same shape, it's not gonna be the same spot. It's not, so just do your best. It's fine. I'm just taking a blue eyeliner. I suggest face paint. Boom. Ultean marks. Last thing is if you are doing, I'm gonna call it epilogue lens. If you're doing epilogue lens, I will say grab out your contour palette again. Grab the deepest color and we're gonna give ourselves some eye bags. Because they're not prominent enough already, right? Because boy has seen some shit. To finish off your look, you're gonna use a setting spray. Yeah! So yeah, that was my Lance from Voltron cosplay makeup. Hopefully it can help you guys, and if not, then I hope you just enjoyed watching me put on a face. Not my face, someone else's face, but a face nonetheless. I don't know.